tiny, tiny twitches. That's a big one. Wow, that's a monster. I haven't even seen him yet. A monster though. This might be the biggest one of the day. Oh my goodness. Wow. Larry, that might be a 16-incher. Good morning, welcome back to the channel Fishing with Norby. Look at this foggy day. Super foggy out here with Larry. How you doing?
Great, and you?
Doing good, doing good.
Go get them.
Yep, had my coffee.
Yep.
You too?
Yep.
All right.
Just a pot.
Of a whole pot?
Yeah.
What time did you get up?
About 5.
Okay. Well, that's better than 4.
I had plenty of time. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we're excited. We're going to get out here today. It is beautiful, cold morning. It's 36 degrees right now, but it's still a beautiful day. The sun's going to come out. It's going to come out once that fog lifts, and it's supposed to get to 65, you know? So
Yep, I'm ready.
should be nice. Should be nice, but we're going to look for new fish today. I'm going to show you what we're looking for when we graph over them on the Garmin 12-inch at the console there, on side imaging, down imaging, and what they look like on Livescope. We're going to record that footage for you today too. Fishing all new places today and finding all new fish. Got to get better at finding the fish if you want to be a better fisherman, because these fish move a lot. Find them, and you can catch them. Let's go get them. Pausing the vid real quick to tell you guys about Temu, online website where you can find deals up to 90% off items. You can also get an additional 30% off using my code and link down below. But we're going to unbox a few items they sent me real quick. Super excited to try these out. What do we got? LED fishing light. Check it out. This is your green fishing light. Hooks on the battery of your boat, and you can hang that over your boat or off the bank and attract bait fish in and catch more fish that come into that green light. If you haven't seen any of the videos I did in the past, one of my buddies had a green light when we were ice fishing, and we caught some mega sized crappie and a lot of fish when we were using that green light. Ben Milliken and I did a video on that actually. Next up, we have this Temu hat. Check it out. It is not just a hat, it is a beanie with a flashlight. That's sweet. Check that out, guys. That is awesome. I don't have to carry around a separate headband with a light on it when I'm in my tournaments, when I'm rigging up tackle. I can just literally press it and turn it off and on, different brightnesses. That's sweet. Super excited for that beanie. A lighted beanie. That's awesome. Next up, you guys know Ned, my pet bass, needs to eat. So they sent me a way to catch bait. A little fish trap. I can throw this out in the pond. I can expand it. I'm not going to open it up right now, but it's a folded out square trap. You throw a little bit of dog food in there and you catch little bluegill, minnows, and bait fish that we can feed Ned with. So I'm excited to try that out. And one more product. Look at that. What is that? It's a little underwater camera. Ooh, I'm excited to see this. So this is something that we can attach to our line or cast out with our lure. You get a ledge with 100, 200, 300 fish on it, and they're not biting. We'll throw this down there and see what it looks like, see what they look like. Maybe we'll go scuba diving sometime. But it comes with a charger, comes with a carrying cloth. I am so excited to try out this little underwater camera. We're going to be able to cast it out and just make sure we don't get it snagged up. That is sweet. Y'all go check out Temu. Make sure you use my discount code down below. Click the links below to these products, and they have really good deals. So if you're shopping, check their website, see if stuff is priced better. They offer free shipping and free returns up to 90 days out. High quality products and performance. It says they take all major credit card, debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, even some other programs, so that's pretty sweet. So it's safe and legitimate. They also have an app. Download the Temu app. You can do it right from your phone. Let me know which of these 4 items was your favorite: the lit up hat, the fish trap, the underwater camera, or the green LED fishing light to attract in the bait fish. Let's get back to the video, catch some slabs. gonna put some thump gel on real quick. I'm gonna go green. Green. Okay. There they are. Man, dragging down grass is just not sinking fast enough. All this eel grass. Oh, you're about down there. They're coming up to you. They're coming up. He nipped it. He didn't eat it though. They are swimming. Look, we're moving down the bluff right now.
Yeah.
And the fish are moving with us. There he is. Wow, fighter. Jeez. Gosh. First one of the day. A moving school of crappie. We are floating with them. Look how fat that fish is. Belly. Number one, folks. Number one. Wow. That's cool. Are they still floating with us?
No.
Alright. Throw them in the old thump net. The old prototype thump net. Go ahead and put the prototype thump net out here. We get the right one, we won't have to pull it out. It'll expand. Oh, we floated back 100 yards. Look at him way up there. That's crazy. We're just floating with them. There they are. They're still moving. We are moving with them. We are drifting, and they are drifting. Look at them moving. They're going as fast as the current's going. I don't know where I'm at. You got one?
Yeah.
Get him. Nice. Good job, Larry. We're drifting with him again. This is drifting for crappie. Crappie drifting. Ooh, that is a big one. Wow. Nice. Good one, Larry. Oh, we doubled up. Mine is not as much of a hoss as yours was, but he's yeah, he's a keeper. He's 9.5. I'll throw him in the thump net. Right here. I bet they're gonna crush that minnow. Oh, here I come, right in their grill. Here he comes. Got him. That's a good one. Gosh, that's a better one. That's like that one you caught. Woo! Lift yours up. Lift yours up. Oh, you're right in them. There you are. See it? Go down a little bit. Oh, they're coming up for your minnow. Yeah, keep it right in there. I think you're gonna get bit. There. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a 13-incher. Drifting for slabs, Larry. Oh, they got deeper on us. They're not like they were. They're spread out now. I say we find another group and drift with them. That was cool. Hop up here with me and drop it in that clear spot. You're good right there. Yeah, perfect. There you are going down. All right, stop it. You're right in them. I'm right over him. Here he comes. Got him. Biggin', biggin'. So, that's your weight. Get your minnow down to him. Well, we're moving too fast. That's a big one. Woo! Yes. That's plenty of water. Nine inches are crispier. They're booking it back up this thing. It's hard to stay on them. Oof. Oh, he bit it. Right. Oh, come on. Got him. Wow. Way underneath of us. That one didn't keep up with the school. The school's way in front of us now. I'm gonna get back to the school. That little guy, he had to take a rest break. There's the school. There's the rock. They're sitting on the rock now. We should be able to sit for a minute. Put it to them. Thought you were gonna get one there. Should have. Should have.
Ain't nothing wrong with that bait. That ought to hit it.
Got him. Man, he just barely ate it. Barely. Little guy. I'm using that smaller jig, Larry. You want to throw that on there? Hitting that small one. I'm gonna try that crank gel on it, on this white one. White on white. There you are. You get him?
No,
oh,
he hit it.
He did hit it. Got him. Crank gel. First drop with crank gel on there. Oh, let's get him, Larry. Doubled up. Doubled up. You got a big one?
I'm bigger than yours.
Yeah, I got a little 10-incher. You got an 11-incher. Hey, that eelgrass is gone. That's nice. Good job. Good job. Woo! We're on a roll now. I think they're moving again. Do you want, I got 6-pound leader line if you want fluoro.
What do think?
It's up to you.
You think it's better?
I think it'd sink better. I put about 12 foot on there on my rigs. Got him. That's a nice one. Here. All right, Larry, we got to get them figured out. Eat it. There, you did. Thank you. Man, this is a big one. Jeez. Wow. Smoked it. 13 incher. That'll work. Nice drop. You down in him?
Yeah, I'm right in that water.
Oh, he's coming.
There it is.
You got it. Oh, biggin. Oh, biggin. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh.
Get ready to say you might need the net for that.
Sure enough. Wow, look at that school, Larry. Those are big. He bent my hook out. If we hook up on another one of those, I'm getting the net. Those are all bigs. Wow. Wow. That's cool. Well, just buy them, but you got eelgrass. Yeah. Yeah. Here he comes, biggins. Oh, get him, biggin. All right, I'll get the net. I'll get the net. We're not losing another one of those. That thing was a giant that I lost. Look at that one. Woo! Old big, Larry. Old big. Wow. That's a 14 incher. That's the biggest one of the day so far.
You had the big one.
I had the big one. I think he was about 15. Got off. Hey, good job.
You're even hitting the hole better now.
That was a big one. That is a netter. He wanted the jiggle jiggle.
Had to have it.
Had to have it. Cool. Fun figuring out how to make them bite. We haven't caught one in a minute. That's crazy. Are you serious? They finally stopped and we caught one and they're back on the move again. Maybe they'll bite because they're on the move. Oh yeah, they want to bite now. That fired them up. Get them, Larry. These are bigs. These are bigs. Yeah. That's awesome. Let's go. That's so cool. 2 in a row. Here it comes. Little jiggle jiggle. Whoo, the tiniest little jiggles. Tiny, tiny twitches. That's a big one. Wow. That's a monster. I haven't even seen him yet. A monster though. This might be the biggest one of the day. Oh my goodness. Wow. Larry, that might be a 16-incher. That might be a 16-incher. The hook fell out. Wow. I should throw him back. I'm gonna take a picture and might have to release that guy. That's a tournament winner right there. Wow. That's so cool. What a giant. Just another big one. Guess I'm taking my crappie rod sponsor to Honeycomb tomorrow. He's coming tomorrow. Got him. Another giant. My goodness. That one's a netter. Larry, I think we should leave these alone. Huh? Yeah. They probably won't be here tomorrow, but they'll be in the area. I think we should leave these alone and go find some more in my last hour. That's a 14-incher. My goodness. That's so cool. Wow. That's incredible. That is incredible. Whew. All right. Found some more. We found some more. Larry and I went back out the next morning from the last video you saw with him and wrecked them, guys. The fish were doing something crazy, really cool. They were drifting with the current down the bluff, and we didn't spot lock. We just drifted with them. They were going the exact speed of the current. We dropped our jig straight down and drifted with them. That was so cool. I've never done that. That was something new. Again, something new. So cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We caught some really big fish. So exciting. But we're gonna get out of here. My crappie rod sponsor Andy's coming down to Lake Guntersville to go fishing with me here before too long. So be excited for those episodes that come out. Hopefully we get on the big ones and even bigger ones. We're gonna get out of here. We'll catch you on the next one here at Fishing with Norby.